Today we start the lesson plants. Tree. The main part of the tree is flower. The leaf. A leaf is born on the stem. At a node, they usually have a stalk called petiole and a pair of very small leaves. And the base is the petiole called the stipules. The stipule protects the young leaves, and the certain plants do not have petioles.
Sit down. The main parts of the trees are stem, branches, leaf, flowers and fruits. Leaf. This is the main part of the tree. The main function of the leaf is photosynthesis. Flower. It is the reproductive part of the plant. Next part is taproots, supporting the tree in the ground. Understand, my students?
Yes, ma'am.
We want to discuss about the coming Indersound quiz competition. You can select the efficient students for attending the quiz competition.
Yes, ma'am. We can consider our Anandan. He is brilliant and efficient.
Now time is over. We can discuss it tomorrow.
Oh, you returned, huh?
Ah. Oh, daily only the soup, Mom.
My sweet darling, no, you have to eat little, okay?
Mom, we have competition in our school.
Very good. Then the prize goes only to this mummy's darling. Have little food, dear. Have it, dear.
Mom, today also they call me copscatter.
Anand?
What, Mom?
Anand, are you not going to tuition today?
Yeah, going, Mom.
Have it. Give it to your master.
Mm.
Mm.
Bye, Mom.
Anand, go carefully.
Yes, Mom. Sir? 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 Sir?
Why so late today? Tell me, what are the news at your school, dear?
I taught about the plans which you taught me yesterday in the class, sir.
Very good. By studying, you should become a great person in your life.
I have inter-school competition, sir.
So what? You should prepare for that well.
But, sir,
Hmm. Why? A but in your thought?
will you come to school with me, sir?
For what?
They are asking me to bring my father.
So what? You take your father to the school.
No, sir, no.
Mother, father, teacher are real gods.
I don't like my father. All will make fun of me.
Sarasu? Where are you gone?
Oh, my sweetheart.
Keep quiet. Hey, your madam is coming. She doesn't like me at all.
Oh my God. Oh God. Let me escape.
Where is your master?
Sir, master. Master. Where are you, master?
What is all this? What you are seeing here?
Che. No. Don't do all that. Come on.
What is all this?
Yeah, when you go, you take this rice also along with you. Did your son go to school?
Yeah, he gone.
Make some hot water for me to bathe. I've got severe body ache. Hey, you donkey, dig it properly, man.
Sir,
Yeah. What are you doing here?
look here. I fell down in the plantain field.
Oh,
Came to wash off this dirt.
how did you fall?
That shaker and owner has scared me.
Why?
I took honey from his plantain tree.
If you try to steal others' property, this will happen. You washed, right? Go fast. Otherwise, Manton will not allow you inside. Go.
To see that incident, all the people in the village attended there. We are also kids in that crowd. There was a tree which is going to fall. It was a very big and tall tree. If we go long and look at the tree, the head will be very big, and from down if we look at the tree, it feels just like touching the sky. It was really amazing to look at the tree. It has so many branches which was spread all around. At any cost, the tree will not fall down because it is very strong. It is just like a crown for the whole village. So every people in that village used to come and stand there. It is not that much famous, but even then people come near to the tree and get relaxed for a while. Under the tree, people will be very happy and peaceful. The village is very lucky to have
After my death, don't send our son for the same traditional job. When I see him studying, I get the feeling that all our struggles are going to be paid for.
I kept hot water to take bath. Go and take it.
Under the tree, people will be very happy.
Yeah, tell me.
Hey buddy, they are asking me to pay up.
How much?
Hey dude, they are asking me to pay up.
Yeah, tell me how much.
Hey,
Hey,
hello. Hey, give it man.
hey, can you hear me?
Hey Karna, they have actually given me an injection, asking us to pay 25,000 rupees.
Why is he saying the same thing again?
He cannot hear man. Hello, Pandi. Hey, Pandi. Hey. Oh. Hey, Pandi.
Bro, can you hear what I'm saying? Hey, bro. Can you hear what I'm saying?
Ah, yeah, he's like that only for a long time, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Have you sent them off safely, dude? I don't know what has happened with my leg. It's raining a lot, dude. I don't know what has happened to my leg,
Hello?
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, Muruga, what are you saying? Huh? Yeah, tell me where you have kept them. Okay, I'm coming. Hey, just bring him to the SP office.
Sir, I don't know anything, sir. Sir, please believe me, sir. Sir, I don't know.
You said you won't be joining us. Then why did you come? Go from here.
Hey, you guys are trying to make me a fool or what? I'll give you one on your face. Don't try to open my mouth and tell the truth,
Hey,
okay?
why are you shouting,
Sir?
man?
I was telling these guys that I don't know anything, sir. Please believe me.
Don't open your mouth. I told you, right? You yourself will get caught.
Yes, sir. Actually, I don't know what is the problem. I just heard that they've arrested my son. I'm trying to contact the local inspector.
If it becomes a police case, then he won't get a government job. In fact, I arrested you to save you from them only. I too like the concept of love. Both of them are students of law. Major, you bring both of them here. I'll give them protection.
Their parents have more power than you, sir. They will get them separated.
In that case, you ask them to write a letter to us seeking protection. We'll leave you free. Here, call them.
Letter will come, sir.
Till then, you have to be inside.
Okay, sir.
You bring that fellow here. Can't you hear or what? You, whatever I'm saying, you write it in a paper and show it to him. Yes, sir. What is your relation with Saravanan? Nothing. How do you know him? He is Karna's friend. Why did you go with him? Karna is my friend. What is the relation between you and restaurant Mariappan? He is everything for us.
I don't know what those guys have told about me.
For this only you came to me, huh? Shit! Hey. Where is my daughter?
She is happy wherever she is.
Happy or what?
All this we have seen a lot. Actually, you should have done all this. But you didn't. We did all this on your behalf only. A father means just a father. And a mother can only be a mother. But only a friend can be all this at the same time. I won't tell where they are. Whatever you want to do, you can do.
If you keep them so well and feed them for 3 times a day, how will they say? What I should do, you need not tell us. Oh, then I know how to search for my daughter also. Then leave them to me, I'll take care of that. Then why did you complain to us? I didn't. Then who did?
I only did. You are saying he should not take action? You are creating a drama with my son, right? Then, how much you paid for those guys?
If you talk one word more than this, I will not consider you a woman.
What you will do? Huh? You know how big place I seen a girl for my son Parnivel Raman? You are giving your daughter to my son without any job. You are asking my son to sit inside your shed. Tell me that. Already one guy is there, right?
Don't talk
My
unnecessarily.
son also you needed, right?
Who wants? Even if you give also, I will not take. In a house where there is a lady like you, I will not send my daughter
Hey,
there.
hey! What you are thinking of me? Tell me that first. Huh?
The entire place knows about
Hey,
you.
shut up.
Hey!
It's not a fish market here.
Your words.
You seem to be looking like big people and talking so cheap. You have given a complaint, investigation is happening. We are yet to know the truth. Once we find it, we are going to get your children back to you only. You may go, please.
Just file the case. File the case. I'm going to kill the 4 person. You got it?
If you hit the right place only, you will get the truth. You see how I'm going to hit now.
Who is that on this time? Who is that? Natraj? Hey Natraj, who coming in this time? Natraj? 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 Oh my god! Dear, someone is coming inside our house. I don't know what is going on. Can you please come? Where are you now? They are hitting the house. Please come and save us. We are inside the house. I don't know what's going on here. Please.
Get back to our house.
Hey, who are you? Leave him.
Hey, who are you
Hey,
guys?
what you guys
Hey,
are
why are
doing?
you
Just
dragging me
leave
like
him.
this?
Hey,
Leave
I'm
me
telling you, right? Just leave him and go. I'm
What
going
is
to
all
beat
this
you
happening?
people.
I don't know. You
Hey, who
tell
are
me.
you? What do you
Tell
want
me the fact.
actually?
What is
Tell me that.
happening?
Tell me.
Why are you-
Hey, leave them.
Where is the emergency ward, sir?
You go straight and turn right, sir. Please wait. Who are you, sir?
I'm Chandran's father.
Your son is arrested. Don't go inside.
I'm a retired military. I want to see my son. Oh my god. Hey, Chandran? What happened here?
Excuse me.
Doctor,
How are you related to the patient?
I'm his father. Why? Any problem, doctor?
He's got a crush in the right leg. Below knee amputation has to be done. Therefore, half of his leg has to be taken off. Shit.
Nowadays, these youngsters
Gone.
don't have brains at
Gone.
all. Unnecessarily.
Lost
they are
our
supporting
respect.
their friends
Lost our
and they are
pride.
getting a
Lost
bad
our
name.
prestige. Lost everything. Just because of him, I lost my auntie also.
You're right. Will you stop blabbering? Can't you hear? We are having a
Hey,
conversation.
You keep quiet, man. What do you know? Karunakaran BA, gold medalist. Now he's become a criminal. Now, henceforth, he cannot go for a government job at all.
Hey, just call my wife.
Hey, call sister, man. Hey, how can I give my daughter to a criminal?
Hey, what is wrong with you, man?
I won't give. I might chop her into pieces, but I'll
What
not
is
give her
this?
to him.
Huh?
How
You
can I
just
give?
call
Hey.
your mother immediately.
Who are you to decide, man? Now I have decided. My son will never marry your daughter. Just get out from here.
Wait, now you heard that. Now you heard
I
my
said just get out from
He's
here.
saying nothing.
Tell him, brother. Leave
Whatever
him.
my son does, there'll be some justice in that.
Please
He's such a
do me
nice
and
boy.
please don't
I
do
will not
this.
regret for what he's done. Never in my life. Just get out.
Uncle, please don't be angry.
Is this a way to talk in a Dex place? Is he a fool or what?
Dad.
I continued our relationship with his family just for the sake of my son alone. The moment he said he doesn't require my son, then why should he stay here? Get out!
Brother.
Hey, what, brother, man? He is insulting a person who is coming home, and you're standing and watching all this nonsense. What is the problem here? Nothing, sir. It is a family problem. We'll take care of it. When I say my daughter will also listen, you listen, right? You listen, right? So you're also insulting me, huh? Be very happy and sit there. I am also going along with your mother. Oh yes, my daughter itself is not respecting me.
Please
anymore.
stop. What
Is
is
he a
this
human
about?
being or an animal? Just see our position now. Shit.
I have been insulted.
Please wait.
Nobody in my family listens to me.
Please wait
But what
for
is the
us.
point of my leaving? For that, you both are the reason.
Stop
I will
there,
make you
please.
be the reason.
Where are you going? Please stop.
What a bloody life, man.
Daddy, no, Daddy.
All because of you only.
You all live happily. Go.
Please stop it.
Daddy, open the door,
Dear,
Daddy.
I open the door.
Dad,
Someone
please
come
open
here,
the door.
please.
Dad,
Something your
please.
uncle is
Hey,
doing
come
inside
faster,
the room.
come fast.
Can you
Hey,
please come and
come.
help?
Yeah, coming.
He got locked inside the
Dad,
room.
open the door, Daddy.
Open the
Daddy,
door.
please
Hey,
open
please
the door.
open the
Dear,
door.
please
Hey,
open the
please.
door.
Hey, please open the Hey, just open the door.
Please, dear.
Hey, come on, catch it.
Why are you doing like this? Dear, are you alright?
The only daughter, what is the point in bringing her up? She won't listen. Why should I be alive?
Just ask your father words, please.
He won't say. Why should she say? You both continue to live happily. I am going. Again you started over. I am going.
Please, dear,
Sit here.
I'll beg you, please, dear, wait. Ask your father words, please. Please, just ask your father words. Why are you doing like this? Please save me. I beg you. Please save my life. Save me.
I listen to you, Dad.
He said she will ask your words.
I'm listening.
Hey, sweetheart. Sweetheart.
Oh, don't be in a hurry. Let me keep all this in order.
Oh, do whatever you're doing.
Did your master go? Give me whatever you got today. I have to pay the money lender.
I came to ask you the money back what I paid you yesterday.
Oh, I bought stock for the shop with that money.
In that case, I think I'll be starving today.
Is it enough I keep your hunger away? Take it. Is it okay for today? Listen, come back fast.
Then what?
Come and sit. I'll save you food.
Okay. Yeah, come on.
Why are you doing like this?
I don't like this, father.
a small boy.
Did you hear what your father is saying? Do you know how your father is loving you? Huh?
I'm scared of my father.
Why you're scared? He is very gentle, no? Hmm?
Do you know, Mummy? Because of my father, how much I am insulted? All are calling me as copper scatter.
It's okay, my son. Come on, have it. I will serve you.
I don't
I'm
want.
saving, have it, dear.
Don't worry. He will understand when he grows up. I want him to study well, and that's all.
Even though whatever he says,
That's okay.
not that. He told me something. He asked me he want to take master to the school as a father. We have to pay the fees for Anand.
The month of Karkadaga has begun. All the old ones will start coming in.
Let us hope.
As he is growing, the expenses are increasing.
Everything will be all right.
How? Yeah, let's face it as it comes.
We are forced to come here since there is no water in our
Oh,
wells.
is it so? Here comes an ogler.
Look at him. Shit. Come, we'll go.
He stopped the bike to see you only.
Just get lost, no? I thought there won't be anyone in the bathing lab.
Yeah.
She is always seen here and a lot of clothes as
Did
well.
you see how he is looking at you? Hey, come fast and wash your clothes very fast, okay?
Take the soap.
Hey, come on, move. You go and wash that side.
So all of you here with your baggers really all came to trouble us.
When the sun rises, our wells get dry.
Oi, get lost everyone here. All are shameless fellows. These two belong to others. If one of them missing, really I have to answer.
Mom, please leave them.
Ha!
Mom, let us also wash our clothes.
Who the hell you are? Huh? Why are you calling me mom? Huh? Oh, it's really very funny. Girls can't help it.
Shit.
This is a great hassle.
Huh? If you feel annoyed, who told you to come here?
Hey, we can't talk with her. Please be quiet.
Oh, all are come and showing attitude.
Listen, when one gets old, this happens.
Tomorrow, maybe our condition would be worse than this.
Hey, what happened? Your bike is not moving or what? Choo, you just came to staring the girls. Choo, get lost.
Master! Master! Master,
Oh, is it you? What is it, brother?
Merlin's grandson passed away
When?
yesterday at the general hospital, Master.
Oh, he was ill for a very long time. Don't you have to go to school today?
Yeah, I have.
When will it reach from the hospital?
Body has already arrived. We have to cremate it soon.
Then what about the rites?
Everybody has already seen.
Dear, your master. Wake up, wake up.
Leave me.
He's the grandson of somebody known to me.
Huh? Is it?
What to do? We can't avoid the fate.
One, 2, 3, 4. Ah.
What, master? What happened?
No, nothing happened. He was actually my son's friend. You dig the hole. I can't do it again. Fill the grave.